put it back na, baby. Why do you want that one? What's that?
Meron ka lang yun eh. May apple ka na, may orange ka na rin doon. Binapato mo lang yun. Ang dami mo na niya sa bahay. Come on, leave it.
You put it back.
Let's buy another toy. Different toy.
A different
New toy.
Let's look for
New toy.
people toys.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's buy new toy.
man, what happened?
Robot.
Robot. Boat. Oh.
She's island.
Where's Chelsea? Where's Chelsea?
Let's buy Barbie na lang. That's that one. Ha?
You put it back. We will look for Barbie and Chelsea, okay? You put it back. You already have plenty of fruits at
Madami ka
home.
na ng ganun eh. May banana ka na, may apple ka na. Pinabalibag mo lang yun doon sa bahay eh.
You say hi na. Oh, hi,
Sige na.
baby.
Hi.
You look at the camera.
No. No, no.
You sing to Santa. So you can buy those fruits. You sing to Santa.
No.
Oh, you sing to Santa.
This one.
Tanggalin mo na yung prutas na yan. Ayoko na. Marami ka na prutas
Text
sa
please.
taas.
Text.
At saka madami-
Ayun pala Barbie, oh.
Madami ka na niya sa
Wow,
bahay.
ayun,
Very good.
oh.
Come on, let's go.
Yun.
Bibili ka din pala eh. Ang hirap mo naman.
Okay, bye.